Hey everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to use Google Keyword Planner in 2025. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the Google Ads. Just go to googleads.com, and here you will find on the left side in the tools menu, you have Keyword Planner. Just select it. And after that, here you can see all these three options. You can go and click on Discover New Keywords. And now what you should do is to simply provide here the link of the competitor that you want to provide in order to get some keywords on, just in order to see if it is competitive to you to use a specific keyword or not. So let me say that I will search for landscaping services on Google. Then I'm going to hit the first option that I will get on Google, and I'm gonna copy the URL just like so, then paste it right here and add here some keywords like landscaping services, rock wool installation, lawn care, and so on. After that, you go and click on get results, and voila, here you have all the results as you can see. And the bad thing about that is that the competition ranking system is vague here in Google AdSense. They just say low, high, and medium, doesn't use percentages as displayed in other sections right here, as in YOY change, for example. But the things that you get here are very helpful. You can see here the average monthly searches, and here you have the top of page bid if you want to launch a campaign. So this is an important section if you want to do some ads. And the good thing is that you can even use the tool keywords with low competition. So let's say here, for example, we can use this one here, for example, landscaping services near me, and it has low competition. So you can use this keyword in your keywords of the campaign that you are going to make. So you can use it and it will bring you to the top on the search results. So this is the good thing with the Google Keyword Planner, and I hope you get good use of it. And for more tutorials about Google Planner and keyword content, please subscribe to the channel and support us with the join button, and see you in a new video.